katalans, andito naman ang Bisayang Vlogger upang maghatid sa inyo ng balita tungkol sa ating update sa Taal Volcano. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and please click the bell button para ma-notify kayo on my next video. Without further ado, let's start! Members of the Philippine Coast Guard on Tuesday conduct forced evacuation to the residents of Taal Volcano Island after Philbox recorded 98 tremors with 5 to 12 minutes durations from Taal Volcano in the last 24 hours. As of February 16, 2021, Alert Level 1 abnormal continues to prevail over Taal Volcano. There are possibilities of sudden steam-driven or phreatic explosions, volcanic earthquakes, minor ashfall, and lethal accumulations or expulsions of volcanic gas from the main crater that can occur and threaten areas within the Taal Volcano Island. Inilikas ng Philippine Coast Guard, katuwang ang PNP Talisay, BFP Talisay at MDRRMO ang mga residente ng Taal Island matapos ang muling pagtaas ng seismic activity ng Bulkang Taal kahapon, ika-15 ng Pebrero 2021. Liban sa pagpapalikas sa mga residente, in-inspection din ngayong araw, ika-16 ng Pebrero 2021, ang palipad ng isla para makapagsanggawa ng karagdagang precautionary measure sa mga susunod na mga oras at araw. So yun lang guys ang ating update for today sa ating Taal Volcano at sana mag-subscribe kayo at click the bell button para ma-notify kayo on my next video. That's all. Thank you!